open. I forgot to open it. There it is. Alicia, you want to go on the swing? Yeah. Daddy, can you clean my horse?
Yeah, it's fine. It's
No,
just...
yeah, it has spider webs on it.
Oh, it doesn't? Oh, yeah, it does.
You guys want to party? Okay, it's gonna be
Don't drop my iPad.
What?
Don't drop my iPad.
Hey, girls, want me to put some music on?
What?
Yeah, want me to put some music on? Taylor Swift or Katy Perry?
What?
Is there a beehive under there?
No, I don't think so.
Yes. Rebecca Black, Taylor Swift. Oh, Mia, first we're going to do Rebecca Black. And Daddy, is there beehives in there?
There's no
there
beehives.
isn't. If there was, you would see hundreds of... You see them coming out, and they're not, so yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
But there's webs up there.
They're good. There's nothing. They won't do nothing. Go sit down over there, Max.
But can someone please push me? No, I'm gonna...
You're swinging good.
I won't... Hey.
That was quick. Any issues?
No.
Cool.
Get this cat off of me. You know I'm allergic to cats.
Oh.
Butterscotch!
There's the cat.
Butterscotch!
I thought you were allergic to dogs. I am. I'm allergic to dogs and cats.
Mia, open the door for Max.
Hey, Butterscotch, come here.
Mia, open the door for Max.
You know what he did?
He put something on his forehead? Yep, I think we need to take it to the ER.
He put his head on the pizza box.
That's great. I used to put my head in the laundry when it came out of the dryer so I could miss school the next day. It never worked. Never worked.
On the dryer?
You into an unfair fight. Hi, I'm Saul Goodman, and I'm